Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if your mouse cursor is disappeared from your Windows 10 11, so this video is for you. I will show you step by step how to troubleshoot this issue. So first of all, we need to press the Windows plus X key button, and once you press Windows plus X key button in Windows 10 and 11, you should be able to see this kind of application windows. You need to use your down arrow key and select here the device manager. Once the device manager is highlighted, you need to click enter, or you need to press the enter key here. Now once you press here the enter key, you need to press here the tab key. Click on tab, and once the first option is highlighted, click on down arrow key, okay, and select here mouse and other pointing devices, and we need to select it. Then you need to, on the keyboard, you need to tab on the right arrow key. As you can see, right, once I click on right, so we need to select here the mouse one, and once you select the mouse one, press F10 key, shift and F10 key, and once you press shift and F10 key, click on update drivers. Look for this option first, select automatically, and see if that fixes your issue or not. If not, again press the tab key, close it, and again type shift and F10 key and click on uninstall this time, and enter the uninstall to confirm it. Okay, and once you confirm it, you need to close this. So you need to press the Alt F4 in order to close the device manager. Then again press Alt F4 and simply update or shut down your system, and your issue will be fixed after that. So this is how guys you can fix the issue. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.